Indian, authentic Indian cuisine.
Yes. Yes, it's okay. Did you go? You didn't.
You have to introduce us to what's this one.
No, I'm just trying to make a space for her to sit so that it's like it's.
What do you call this, Anchal?
Golgappe, Pani Puri, Puchka.
Yeah.
Every region
Yeah,
has
because
its
you
own
put
name.
it like this.
What about this one?
It's
This is the
all
sauce.
combined. This is
The
a
sauce.
mint water. That is chole bhature. That's a separate thing.
Ah, okay.
So we can have it.
With the bread?
With this one, right?
And this is salad?
No, this is
This
what you
will
put
again
in
go as
here.
a filling. This will also go as a filling, and then you will. I'll make it for you guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
this
yes,
is
yes, yes,
Well,
yes.
I just
we will
washed my
film it.
hand.
Yes, 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 yes,
We will
please.
sample.
That's why I just washed my hand and I was like, I'll make it for
Okay, okay, okay. Let's do it.
you. It's so cold.
So cute.
Yeah.
Ah, you have to put it in.
Yes. I know. It's like yes.
I haven't tried this.
I
Oh
know.
gosh, with my
I
colleague from
made
before.
Mia try it last year, so
You did?
and she loved it, so I was
It's
like,
really good.
okay,
You
is
tried this
something-
as well before?
Yeah, I only
during quarantine.
Oh,
really
and you
good.
like
It's
it?
A lot of
Loved
things
it.
happen during
Me
quarantine.
too, right? That's why I know this as well.
Give your bowl. But yeah, the water has already split out of it. Please have it. More food. And I know Nepal. Yeah, it's not only thing. I love it. But it's delicious. No, it's not all. Is it not?
so cheap and so delicious.
It's dim sums and everything. No.
Memories. It's all memories, exactly. It could last forever.
But it's funny because I think the stuff falls to the bottom and it kind of blocks the
Or naan.
And you just go.
You just go.
What about these things?
These are just side
Side dish.
side stuff you want to have.
So what do you call
Yeah,
this
just
type of
eat.
bread?
This is actually bhatura.
Batura.
Chole bhature.
Chole pature. This is chole patura?
This is chole. And
Yeah,
then
this is
patura.
chickpeas and this is. I'll get a plate here. Wait.
This is a potato.
That's a potato.
The sides.
I could definitely get the chili.
Yeah, I was thinking that too, but
Is that a potato?
Yes.
Mm.
Why do you have a green mint water?
I know,
Then
right?
You try it from here.
We'll have one plate.
Yeah, please have it. Have this.
That's why she was like,
So like this?
You don't have to eat like a pizza. Eat like a normal with your hand. It's like-
don't eat like a pizza thing.
how?
Come on, Anchal, show us.
It's normal Indian food. I don't know how.
Well,
Okay, I'll
that's
just-
what she eats with Indian food, no?
Yeah, you heat it with hands. Do you have any issues eating with hands?
No, she's
No,
eating it with her.
See, normal.
Like this.
Ah.
It's
What?
like so easy.
That's why, you know what we do? We put it there.
But
and
you know
then
why
we
I
eat
do like
that.
this? Because then I can get more sauce on.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
There's
okay.
a method.
That's a
That's why you said that.
So you were staring at me because I put that and then it starts falling.
wow. It should look like that.
Pouring wine.
And so when did you go there? When you side visit? Few months ago?
I went there twice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Your client now or your client before?
Either you should not have drunk.
No, it's okay. This one is fine. This will
No.
not. This will not make me tipsy.
No,
Yes, exactly. Another glass will not make you tipsy.
So
either.
who's cheering?
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers to Ansha! Thank you for
Ansha,
having us.
thank you for having us. Thank you for the
Lovely
Indian
host.
food.
Yes. So then continue. Oh.
This is
Yeah.
adorable.
No.
Wow.
This is art of dum. That's what I know the restaurant.
Because Dampak in
Wait, when you open it, I
Karama
will
has
open
really
it.
good biryani.
Open.
yeah, this one.
Unboxing.
Unboxing.
Unboxing as if I know how to unbox it.
Ooh.
Oh wait, is it from the side or something?
No, I think here.
Yeah, sorry. My bad.
Wow.
Yeah, they give.
Oh my god, adorable!
This is
Yeah.
one Wait, they
One
always
pot?
Yes.
Amazing.
So
I used to have
amazing.
something like that as well. Order.
Wow. I think one is biryani and one is this is biryani and this is some vegetable or something.
Wait.
The packaging is nice and the food is also nice.
Really?
I
like
love
the
it.
packet- the- I
It's
like
in the I think it's somewhere close to I don't know what is it.
Which
the
branch?
packaging is good.
Discovery.
I
Discovery?
I think yes. This is Discovery.
Adorable. What lovely packaging.
Yeah, I know. This is naan. Different type of naans.
Wow, this is the main course.
The naan is the. Oh my god, the packaging is.
So good.
It's hot.
Cool.
That's dal.
That's the dal?
dal?
Yeah.
How would you pour it?
I will get you a bowl. I don't know.
What is this?
It's some, I think,
Some of
salad,
the
salad
side
or
dish?
something. This is like.
Sauce?
No, I'll tell you.
Not heavy. It's
it
it's
smells
going to
good.
be heavy.
Wow.
What is this?
That's
It
why I
smells
said
so
you guys
good.
can take a break and then we can order. Then we
No
can-
break.
So this is kofta. This is veg.
Ah, okay.
This is biryani. I think this is murg biryani.
This is
What
more
is that?
biryani.
How do we open that?
Just open it.
You cannot open it.
What?
I don't know
How does one open it? Maybe we have to break the
No, you don't have
The bread?
to. No.
Yeah, you have to like lift
Let
it
me
up.
do it.
Yeah, lift it.
Yeah, I think after removing.
So cool.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, it's done.
There we go.
This is some mutton gravy.
Why do they
Mutton
close
or-
it with the bread? I'll eat the bread.
Because
that's
I
makes
think
it
it's very
more. It's very nice.
Yeah, even this bread is really nice.
Wow, amazing.
And
You
I
want some bread?
think you put in some. And this is usually it's similar to what you get in mandi, right? That tomato one, but this is a chili one. Like you call it a mirchi ka salan type.
Like a chutney.
Like a chutney.
Yeah, just a paper.
And this is that is the same?
That is raita. This is like a curd.
Oh, and this one is.
This is dal. I'll get a bowl for that.
That's good. Try the
Is it?
Try the lid bread.
Okay, what else do we need?
Nice.
That's it.
It's good when it's really fresh.
This is nice. Karama is same like that, and they are.
This is
both-
lovely.
Look, a surprise for you.
Ah.
Surprise.
Price.
I don't know.
This is adorable. I love the
Yeah.
clay pot.
The way they did
So
it.
I think one of
What's that? I think that's yogurt.
gazebo. They
Yes,
also do
They
that.
also given us.
They do
same.
that as well.
What else do we need?
What is this? What is this?
Veg.
This is kofta.
But what meat? Meat?
Not meat. It's veg. Eat some veg sometime, guys.
Oh,
What is wrong?
yeah. Like
It's what is it?
Right.
What do you want?
this is what?
I don't know. I think this is one paratha. You guys should try a half or bit of it.
No, they try the yellow one.
Try
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I do
No, no.
up to you guys.
No, we do that. Same sense like.
Oh, good.
It's good.
What's
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Really amazing packaging, honestly.
It's pretty good.
It's beautiful.
I think that's what they also sell, the packaging.
Probably. And this is
Kofta.
kofta.
Mm-hmm.
Try it. I don't know.
But this one I like it. I like
Dal
the taste.
makhani. It's one like dal needs to be there.
Yeah.
There would be the one dal. There would be one
This is
sabzi.
not the
nice.
proper Indian meal without
This is
right?
proper Indian. Really. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ansha.
It was I laughed. We should have eaten it because she has never eaten.
She
it.
doesn't
She's
try.
not going to eat it.
She will not try it.
We'll force feed her.
I don't know how me. Definitely with saffron. You can taste it.
See, I don't know because but there's so many things to try. So I tried fitting in
this?
this.
This is good. What do you call this? Is it not karai?
It's
What's the chicken that I gave you?
No.
So good.
What?
It's
No, I
not-
want to know what this is.
I don't know.
what dish it is.
It
Yeah, what do you
looks-
call this
it's,
dish?
It's like the Filipino dish, right?
I don't know. It's a curry.
Ikaw tasa ka. She's making joke.
Going to be a doubtful or.
Masmalai,
Rasmalai.
rasmalai.
Parking.
Oh.
I think I.
So how
There's
do you?
no parking in the building?
No, I did not park. I know where to park, but I forgot to.
Extend.
I'm parking, but yeah, she didn't ask me.
Yeah, that's what.
Cheese texture. Soft and yummy.
Cottage cheese
very nice.
texture with
It's
some
my
milk.
favorite Indian
That's
dessert.
my favorite.
Syrup of this one is rubbery
Same.
paste. Yeah, it's
Oh,
yeah.
okay. You know, I like gulab jamun.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god.
That's it.
So what should we eat first?
You
I'll
tell us.
give
I'm
you
almost
guys
full.
this.
You know, my eyes is
So-
almost falling.
I'm gonna pass out.
Don't
is
put.
dessert.
No,
I'm
but
gonna
don't,
pass
don't
out.
put a lot.
I'm just putting one
One
piece.
piece for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry.
Do you want? Oh, that's
I know where you got this
much
from
better.
IKEA.
All IKEA.
I like
We love IKEA.
Yeah, now we
What's not to love?
Exactly.
IKEA is awesome.
You want
exactly.
more
No,
syrup?
no, no, it's okay.
Rasmalai, rasmalai.
I think the taste
Delicious.
is
It's very
the pistachio, right?
It is good. Yeah,
What,
these
that's
green
enough?
things are. I don't know how they make it.
Yeah, it's like it's just nice. It's just nice. Just thank you.
I do.
You know the taste? There's cardamom, no?
Isn't it
Yeah,
so?
I like it. But it's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
No.
It's very light.
Light the flavor, no? And it's with the I think it's yellow because there's saffron.
Mate, you know what is the color? The name?
It's not named.
Dhokla.
Dokla.
Dhokla.